In today's video, I am going to teach you how to image masking in Figma. Image masking is a simple, powerful way to display only the part of a photo you want. Using a shape as a window, it's perfect for creating clean avatars, framed photos, or stylized thumbnails without permanently altering your image. Let's walk through it step by step so you can follow along with confidence. First, open your design in Figma. Make sure you are on the frame or page where you want this masked image to live. Place your image on the canvas. Then create the shape you want to use as the mask. Like an ellipse for a profile image, or a rectangle for a simple crop. Draw the shape roughly over the area you want to reveal. It doesn't need to be exact yet. We'll refine it in a moment. Next, look at the Layers panel on the left. The order of layers matters for masking to work correctly. Click and drag the shape so it's directly below the image layer. At this point, nothing on the canvas will change visually, and that's expected. You are just preparing the stack so Figma knows which layer should act as the mask. Now, select both the image and the shape together. The quickest way is to hold Shift and click each one on the canvas, or in the Layers panel. With both selected, right-click and choose Use as Mask. Instantly, your image will be clipped to the shape, and you'll see a new mask group in the Layers panel. This group keeps everything organized so you can edit either part without affecting the rest of your design. To adjust the mask, expand the mask group in the Layers panel and select either the image or the shape inside it. You can move or resize them independently. Drag the image to reveal a different part of the photo or resize it to fine-tune the composition. Adjust the shape to change what's visible, making the ellipse larger for a looser crop or smaller for a tighter one. For cleaner results, scale proportionally when resizing and nudge elements with the arrow keys for precise positioning. If your image looks soft after scaling up, consider using a higher resolution version so it remains sharp within the mask. That's the full workflow. Thanks for watching.